How to add the crossfade effect on your Spotify. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can set the crossfade effect on your Spotify. As we all know, Spotify is a platform for listening to music and audio content. However, when we spend some time on Spotify, we can notice that the transitions between songs are sharp. Some people like it or don't notice it. However, some people find this very unacceptable. Spotify reacted to it, and from now on we can add crossfade on our Spotify. How? First of all, we will check if Spotify is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Spotify. If there is an update button, tap on it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open Spotify. When Spotify opens, tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner. In the list that appeared, select the Settings and Privacy option. This will take us to a page where we can find the settings on our Spotify. Anyway, we will find the playback option in this list and tap on it. In the playback window, we will find the crossfade section. Right under the title, find a slider that you can set how many seconds before the end of the song, and the second song will start to play. You can set the slider to whatever you want. I will leave it at 5 seconds out of a possible 12. And that is all. In this way, we made a fade transition between our songs, and in this way, we eliminated sharp transitions between songs. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spotify tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.